Okay guys, so today we are making shirts for a family member. Now, we are putting these on regular t-shirts. We have already pulled up our project. We made this days ago. So we are going to go to it. We are going to hit customize before we make it, okay? Okay, so guys, what we're going to do, we are going to highlight the entire frame. We are going to hit weld at the bottom. I need you to highlight it again. Right click, we're going to hit new. It's going to ask you if you want to save. We're going to hit replace, okay? Here, and we're going to hit fashion. It's hard to see, but if you see right here, it says classic t-shirts. Depending on what type of t-shirt you're making, we have to have polo, fitted polos, but we're making classic. Okay, as you can see up here, it's gonna ask you the type of shirt and the size. The short sleeve. First shirt we are making, and we are making XX large. After you have that done, right click again, hit paste in your word. Now this is to help you see what size you need, where you want to place it on the t-shirt. See the button flashing, hit it, and then unload it. So guys, find your words. This is your cutting board. Get your perfect cuts every time. Stick it through here. This white is hard to see, so make sure you do not cut your words, feel for it. One cut, that's all that's needed. Bam! It really don't matter. Okay guys, so we just set my iron on to 3:15. Got the timer. 30 seconds. Alright. We're going to pull our part into the shirt. Now you have to be careful because have it printed out, you have to go back and weed out your letters. So you would need this, okay? If you don't, it's not the end of the world. I should do a better job without that. Now, do you want to keep this like this? Look at me. Look at me. Bad boy. Bad boy. Leave it like that or take it out. Eric.
It's supposed to go around like that. Yeah, it's got to.
Okay guys, so we have weeded out our letters. We have put it where we're going to put it on these shirts. We have ironed. Make sure you iron your material, okay? Before you sit it, there are no wrinkles. Flatten this out. Guys, once it beat, it is ready, as you can see. 315 for 30 seconds. 315, 30 seconds. All you're going to do, make sure your letters, make sure it's how you want it, because it's no coming back. Set it on there. Press the green button for your timer. Wait for it to ding. Now me, I'm extra, so I press this down. I don't let it just sit there. I put some backbone, some elbow grease. Okay, after it is finished on the front, you're going to take your shirt, turn it over, and you are going to repeat the steps. And go. Turn it over. Grab your corner.
Music.
No, I'm doing guys, that is beautiful. Look at that.
Product.
There you have it, folks. Made by yours truly, Kiddie Cul-De-Sac.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Put in your orders now.